Hey, this is Chris from GuitArmy, and in this quick guitar lesson, I'm going to show you a cool guitar lick that you can use to spice up your blues or rock playing. This is what the guitar lick sounds like. Alright, so now let's take a look at how I'm playing that. I am doing a little bit of hybrid picking where I'm holding the pick between my my thumb and my first finger, and then I'm using my middle finger for some hybrid picking where I'm plucking the second string. So this is in G minor. So that's how I'm thinking of it, as G minor blues lick. So what I'm doing is I'm going. I like to slide in. So I'm starting with an octave. I'm sliding up. I'll roll the distortion back a little. I'm sliding up to this G. And then I'm going to play this G here on the second string, 8th fret. So I'm going to slide up. I'm going to pluck the 4th string. Then I'm going to use my my middle finger here to pluck the second string for the hybrid picking. So I'm going to play this G. Then I'm going to play this on the 6th fret here, which is F, which is your flat 7. And then I'm going to play this E here underneath, so it's going to sound like. You might say, well, wait a minute, if we're talking about G minor, there's no E in it. So you can think of this as maybe a G Dorian lick. But I think if you put it in there quick, it sounds pretty cool. So I'm kind of using this as a pedal tone going. So that's the first part of the lick. The second part is I go. So what I'm doing is I'm playing this G here. Then I'm going to hammer on this C to C sharp. I'd like to think of it as a D flat. It's basically your flat 5. So analyzing it, I'm going 1, then I'm playing the 4th, hammering on the flat 5th, and then doing a pull off back to the 4th. And I like to try to let this the root here, this G ring out. I think it adds some extra tension. Then I'm going to come down here and play this B flat here, which is it's going to be your flat 3 of the G minor scale. So I'm playing the flat 3, going back to 4 here, which is C. Coming back to the flat 3, back to the 1. Then I'm going to go to the flat 7 here, this F. And then right from this F, this flat 7, I'm going to move over and get the flat 3 again. Then come down here to down to the root, which is G. So you get this. So if I put the lick all together at once, it's going to sound like. If I play through that slowly, it's going to sound like this. One more time. If you would like a guitar tab for this lick, all you have to do is go on over to my Patreon page. You can sign up, become a Patreon for as low as $1 a month, just to support my YouTube channel, if you want the guitar tab. Hey, if you like this quick lesson, please subscribe, comment, smash stuff like they always say at the end of the videos. And if you're interested in getting the guitar tab, you can head over to my Patreon page over at patreon.com/GuitArmy. Thanks for checking out this lesson. If you want to see more licks, guitar solos, and different types of lessons, please come back. Thanks.